and welcome to cookie decorating with Jonathan Bennett on the set of Halloween Wars. Okay, before you get started, the first thing you have to do is you have to let out your biggest werewolf howl to really get you in the mood. So, okay, you can see we have a, what is this, gravestone? Gravestone? Is this it's a coffin. We have a coffin cookie. We have, we have a pumpkin cookie. We have a ghost cookie, and I'm a cookie. First of all, you're gonna wanna grab your bag of royal icing, and we're gonna start with the pumpkin. You take your brown frosting for the stalk. We put the frosting on the top so it looks like a stalk. Then you're gonna take your green frosting, because you need the vines, because pumpkins are what? Gorgeous. Oh, wow, okay, there we go. That is slippery. That is not what I meant to do. Sometimes your pumpkin is gonna break. And when it breaks, you have to mend it. How do you mend a jack-o'-lantern? With a pumpkin patch. Everyone's favorite part of Halloween, the coffin. So, you normally put RIP on it, right? But what I like to do is put the initials of things in my life that are dead to me now. Happiness, no, I'm just kidding. Rest in pumpkins. Let's make this ghost really fabulous and give it lashes, right? Look at her. She's ready to go and live her life and scare it up on the town instead of tear it up. And she is looking beautiful. That's how you make Halloween cookies with Jonathan Bennett.